Ford engineers have been pretty busy lately, and the new Super Duty lineup proves it. They've brought clever updates, but also worked on some serious stuff you probably didn't see coming. That's right, we're talking about a new kind of Super Duty truck, adapted for international markets, along with rumored unprecedented design changes. The 2026 Ford Super Duty is wowing everybody, and we're about to show you why. Ranger Super Duty, Ford's International Super Duty twist. Ford is revolutionizing the midsize truck market with its all-new Ranger Super Duty, a vehicle that's set to dominate international markets. Primarily aimed at Australia and New Zealand, this truck isn't your average pickup. With automotive giants constantly seeking new market opportunities, the Ranger Super Duty represents a strategic move to capture the hearts of work-focused truck enthusiasts in regions with unique transportation needs. The truck's development stems from a clear understanding of regional requirements. While North American markets demand massive full-size trucks, countries like Australia and New Zealand need versatile, robust mid-size vehicles that can handle extreme work conditions. The Ranger Super Duty is Ford's precisely engineered answer to those demands. With a robust 3-liter V6 turbo diesel engine, the Ranger Super Duty brings serious capability to markets hungry for a versatile workhorse. The power plant delivers impressive performance, with reports suggesting output ranges from 247 to 405 horsepower, depending on the specific configuration. This engine isn't just about raw power, it's about providing reliable, consistent performance in the most challenging environments. The truck boasts an impressive maximum brake towing capacity of approximately 9,900 pounds, achieved through a thicker ladder frame chassis and reinforced suspension. It comes equipped with 33-inch General Grabber all-terrain tires, a sealed snorkel for water crossings, and front and rear locking differentials that make it a true off-road beast. Available in multiple configurations, including single cab chassis, super cab chassis, double cab chassis, and double cab pickup models, the Ranger Super Duty offers unprecedented flexibility for commercial and private users alike. The convertible myth. April Fool's joke exposed. Hold on to your hard hats. The rumors of a Ford Super Duty convertible are nothing more than an elaborate April Fool's Day prank. Ford Authority created a fictional announcement about a hybrid convertible Super Duty that supposedly would start production in 2026, complete with fabricated quotes from a non-existent CEO and elaborate technical specifications. The joke included wild claims about a hybrid powertrain featuring the 3.5-liter Power Boost twin-turbo V6 and a massive battery. The fictional specs suggested an impossible payload capacity of 4,000 pounds and a maximum towing capacity of 20,000 pounds, numbers that would make even the most hardcore truck enthusiasts laugh. At the bottom of the original announcement, Ford added a clear disclaimer confirming the convertible Super Duty hybrid was purely a comedic creation that would never see the light of day, so truck lovers, put away your sunscreen. This convertible was nothing more than a joke. Exterior design. Rugged engineering meets modern styling. Now, let's go back to the F-Series. The 2026 Super Duty showcases an exterior design that blends rugged capability with modern aesthetics. 9 distinct grille designs provide both visual appeal and critical cooling performance for heavy-duty applications. LED headlamps offer sharp, modern lighting that complements the truck's muscular stance. Practical design elements set the Super Duty apart from competitors. Work-focused details like box-side steps and integrated rear quarter steps demonstrate Ford's commitment to functionality. The body is constructed from high-strength, military-grade aluminum alloy, offering a lighter yet incredibly strong construction that doesn't compromise durability. Available appearance packages allow owners to customize their truck's look. The STX appearance package features unique grills and bold badging, while the black appearance package offers blacked out elements and aggressive styling cues. These options ensure that the Super Duty can be tailored to individual preferences while maintaining its core identity as a serious work truck. Interior design. Technology meets comfort. The Super Duty's interior balances professional functionality with modern comfort and technology. From the base XL trim to the luxurious Platinum Plus package, the cabin offers options for every type of driver. Premium leather seats, customizable digital instrument clusters, and advanced connectivity features demonstrate Ford's comprehensive approach to interior design. The work-focused XL trim provides practical comfort with HD vinyl 40-20-40 split bench seats, while higher trims offer progressively more luxurious options. The Platinum Plus package represents represents the pinnacle of Super Duty interior design, featuring Venetian leather seats with French stitching, a split center console with wood inserts, and premium materials throughout. Technology takes center stage with a 5G Wi-Fi hotspot, a 2kW Pro Power onboard system for running tools and equipment, and an available heads-up display that projects key information directly onto the windshield. The interior is designed not just as a cabin, but as a mobile command center for professionals who demand the most from their work vehicle. Powertrain, a symphony of power. Ford offers a range of engines that cater to every possible need. The standard 6.8-liter V8 delivers 405 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque, providing robust performance for everyday work and hauling tasks. This engine represents Ford's commitment to providing reliable, powerful base options that can handle most typical truck demands. The optional 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 cranks out 430 horsepower and 485 pound-feet of torque, earning its monstrous nickname through sheer muscular performance. Named for its impressive size and power, this engine has quickly become a favorite among truck enthusiasts who demand maximum naturally aspirated power without turning to diesel options. But for those who need maximum muscle, the diesel options are where the real magic happens. The standard 6.7-liter Powerstroke V8 turbo diesel generates an impressive 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque, setting a new benchmark for diesel performance in the heavy-duty truck segment. Engineers have meticulously designed this power plant to deliver both incredible pulling power and surprisingly smooth operation. For those pushing the absolute limits, the high-output variant of the Powerstroke diesel is a true marvel of engineering. This beast pushes out a mind-blowing 500 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque, numbers that were unimaginable just a decade ago. The advanced turbocharging and precise fuel injection system allow this engine to deliver massive power while maintaining impressive efficiency for such a large powertrain. All engines are paired with Ford's advanced torque shift 10-speed automatic transmission, a fine piece of engineering designed to optimize power delivery across various driving conditions. The transmission features 3 overdrive gears that improve fuel efficiency during highway driving while maintaining the ability to handle massive loads and provide quick responsive shifting when maximum power is needed. Customers can choose between rear-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive configurations, providing flexibility for different work and lifestyle needs. The Tremor package adds extra off-road capability with a specialized lift kit, off-road tuned dampers, and more aggressive tires. This option transforms the Super Duty from a work truck into an off-road performer capable of handling the most challenging terrain. Ford has also incorporated advanced cooling and thermal management systems to ensure these powerful engines maintain peak performance under the most demanding conditions. From construction sites to remote job locations, the Super Duty's powertrain is designed to deliver consistent, reliable performance regardless of the environment. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, exploring rough terrain, or simply need a powerful work companion, these powertrains ensure the Super Duty can handle anything you throw at it. It's not just a truck, it's a mobile powerhouse that redefines what's possible in the world of heavy-duty vehicles. Towing capacity, breaking every boundary. The Ford Super Duty redefines towing capability with numbers that seem almost impossible. The F450 leads the pack with a best-in-class gooseneck towing rating of 40,000 pounds, a figure that makes other trucks look like toy trucks in comparison. This isn't just a truck, it's a mobile construction site on wheels. The F350 offers a maximum towing capacity of up to 32,900 pounds, while the F250 can handle up to 22,000 pounds conventionally. Ford has also incorporated smart technologies like Pro Trailer Hitch Assist and Pro Trailer Backup Assist to make towing easier and more confident for drivers of all experience levels. Advanced features like Bliss or Blind Spot Information System with trailer coverage help drivers navigate safely while towing trailers up to 33 feet long. With these capabilities, the Super Duty isn't just a truck, it's a game-changing tool for professionals who demand the absolute best. Pricing. Capability for every budget. The 2026 Super Duty lineup offers options for every budget, with the base F250XL starting at around $48,000. The XLT trim begins at around $53,000, while the Lariat model is good for about $67,000. For those seeking luxury, the King Ranch trim kicks off at $79,000, and the Platinum trim starts at $80,000. The new Platinum Plus package represents the pinnacle of Super Duty luxury, featuring premium Venetian leather seats, unique interior styling, and exclusive exterior touches. While higher trims could exceed $90,000, Ford ensures there's a Super Duty for every budget and need. But reports suggest real-world pricing might be slightly lower than MSRP, as various incentives are expected to be available. Clearly, the 2026 model will continue to dominate the scene, but it's not like it doesn't have any worthy competitors. Here's a video about the 2025 Chevy Silverado HD, which you can see right now on the screen. Make sure to check that one out as well. You'll learn that GM's HD truck is not just as capable as the Super Duty, but also excels in many ways. Thanks for watching and see you next time.